Welcome to Quantum Spectrum. Today, we take to discuss the end of planet Earth and will cover the events that will lead to it. Just like the grains in an hourglass, the existence of our planet is finite. But what is the eventual fate of the Earth, and what would it look like if we were there to witness it? Now, it's important to remember that we're talking about events billions of years in the future, far beyond the lifespan of humans, or even life as we know it. But as curious beings, let's take a hypothetical leap into the future, shall we? Imagine a time, about 1 to 2 billion years from now. The Sun, our life-giving star, has increased its luminosity by about 10%. A mere 10% might seem insignificant, but it's enough to cause drastic changes on Earth. It's like turning up the thermostat, but with no way to turn it back down. The Earth's average temperature will rise, turning the polar ice caps into a memory. Our oceans will transform from vast expanses of water into clouds of steam. Our Earth, once blue and teeming with life, will resemble a steamy sauna, but one that's not very hospitable. But let's fast forward a few more billion years to when the Sun begins to run out of fuel. It begins its transition into a red giant, a star that has exhausted the supply of hydrogen at its core and switched to burning hydrogen in a shell that surrounds the core. This phase comes with a dramatic increase in size and luminosity. The Sun grows so large that it might engulf the Earth. It's like a cosmic game of Pac-Man, but the ghost doesn't stand a chance. Our planet will be toasted to a crisp, its atmosphere vaporized, leaving behind nothing but a barren rock floating in space. Let's say we somehow survive the Sun's red giant phase. What happens then? Well, our Sun isn't massive enough to explode into a supernova. Instead, it will shed its outer layers, casting them off into space, and leave behind a hot, dense core, a white dwarf. This white dwarf will be the Sun's final state, a glowing ember in the cosmos. The remaining Earth, now just a lifeless hunk of rock, will be in a decaying orbit around this white dwarf. Like a cosmic game of pinball, it could be flung out into the vastness of space or crash into the white dwarf. Either way, it's game over for Earth. And there you have it. The fate of our beloved planet. It's a bit grim, but remember, these are events that won't happen for billions of years. By then, humanity might have found a new home among the stars. But as always, it's not the end that's important, it's the journey. And Earth's journey, our journey, is far from over. So keep exploring, keep questioning. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending topics from Quantum Spectrum.